Today we're going to be talking about lucid dream sex. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about lucid dreaming sex, and I feel like this is a really important topic to touch on because not only do I get a lot of questions about this, but this is a huge reason why people get into lucid dreaming in the first place. So I just wanted to talk about the pros of lucid dream sex, the cons of lucid dream sex, and how to make your experience last longer if you are ever in a lucid dream sex experience. And I will be giving you those tips at the end, so make sure to stay until the end of this video. Since you guys are on my channel right now, I assume most of you know what lucid dreaming is, and if not, it's basically realizing that you're dreaming as the dream is happening, and with practice you're able to control the dream a little bit and interact with the dream in a 3D reality, and it feels just like real life except you're dreaming. So it's something that anybody can do, and you can literally live out any fantasy that you want to, which is why a lot of people want to experience lucid dream sex, because you can really do whatever you want. And it's a crazy immersive reality, all created by your mind. So it's something super, super dope. And I feel like a lot of you will get a lot of information out of this video because I'm sure most of you have experienced this in your lucid dreaming journeys if you guys have had a lucid dream before. So let's dive into the pros of lucid dream sex. The first pro to lucid dreaming sex is you can literally manifest anyone, anything, and literally live out any fantasy that you want to. There are no rules in the lucid dream. There are also no laws of physics in the lucid dream. So this also means that you can fly, you can go anywhere that you want to, you can have a conversation with anyone that you want to, and you can also engage with anyone you want to during your lucid dream sex experience. So it's you basically have full control once you learn how to kind of control the lucid dream experience. So that is definitely a pro if there's anything that you've wanted to experience in a safe place. The lucid dream is the state to do that. The next pro is your subconscious literally stores everything that you've ever experienced in your mind. All of the smells, the tastes, the sounds, the feelings that you've had in waking life. All of that is stored in your subconscious and it gets played out in your dreams. So if you go to eat your favorite food in the lucid dream, it's probably going to taste way better than it's ever tasted in real life. And this also goes for sex as well. It takes basically your best orgasm or the best feeling that you've ever had and it amplifies it in the lucid dreaming experience. And if you've never had sex before, then it will basically feel like what you expect it to feel like. But if you have, then the best experience you've ever had is going to be amplified in the lucid dream when you engage with lucid dream sex. So that is a good thing to keep in mind. The next pro I have is literally like a hyper vivid 3D reality experience. It literally feels like this real life, but way more real, if that makes sense. Everything just seems amplified, it's more colorful, it's more crisp, and you're literally in first person experiencing this 3D reality. So it literally is like the most immersive VR game you've literally ever played. And so that's a pro to basically anything that you do in the lucid dream, whether it's flying, whether it's going on some sort of adventure, or lucid dream sex like we've been talking about. Anything that you do will feel hyper vivid. So that is a big reason why people like to lucid dream, because you literally feel like you are awake, exploring basically whatever you want to. So that is another pro to lucid dream sex or just lucid dreaming in general. Now I want to get into the cons of lucid dream sex, and the first con that I have is it doesn't always go as planned. Maybe the dream character just doesn't show up. Maybe as things are getting a little bit hot in your experience, the dream character just like vanishes or melts away, or maybe they turn into an alien or an animal or literally whatever. Like sometimes it will not go as you plan it. We do have a lot of control when it comes to the lucid dream state. We have to remember it is a dream state, so random stuff is bound to happen, and that could happen in your lucid dream sex experience. So just keep that in mind, that things won't always go as you intend them to. The next con is lucid dream sex tends to end the lucid dream extremely quickly. Now this is because we are amplifying physical emotions. So if we have too strong of excitement, fear, sadness, literally any physical emotion in the lucid dream, it's going to snap us out of the experience. And make sure to stay till the end of this video because I'm going to give you tips on how you can make these experiences last a lot longer without them ending abruptly or prematurely, which seems to happen most of the time with lucid dream sex. So that is one of the cons of engaging in that, is your lucid dream will probably end shortly after you start having lucid dream sex or anything similar, anything that gets you too excited, scared, literally anything. Physical emotions will cause the dream to end sooner, so just keep that in mind. The next thing I want to mention is there's so many possibilities in the lucid dream. So feel free to engage in lucid dream sex and try it out, but I definitely wouldn't recommend doing it every single lucid dream, because not only is it going to end the experience a little bit quicker, but you're literally in direct contact with your subconscious in the lucid dream, which means you can talk to your subconscious. You can rewire your brain to get rid of negative habits, fears, thought patterns, addictions, belief systems, and implement positive changes, and you can practice skills and actually wake up with improved skill. And you can even use the placebo effect to physically, emotionally, mentally, or psychologically heal yourself. So as you can see, it's a very, very, very powerful state. So if you want to attempt lucid dream sex and just try it out, see what it's like, definitely do it. But I definitely wouldn't concentrate on that every time, because there's so many opportunities that we're missing out on if we concentrate on just one thing. So I would actually have like a to-do list of things you want to do in the lucid dream. That way you can try tons of different things at once and you're not so caught up in one specific thing. And as promised, now I'm going to tell you ways where you can actually make your lucid dreaming sex experience last longer. It usually does end abruptly because of those really strong emotions that we were talking about. Any strong emotion in the lucid dream will probably take you out of the lucid dream. So number one is to stay completely calm, and this will take practice. As soon as you get in the lucid dream, you want to try to stay as calm as you can, and you want to stabilize the dream. Now, what I mean by this is engaging with the dream. What do you hear? What do you see? What do you smell? What do you feel? You really want to engage with your surroundings in the lucid dream, and you'll notice once you start to do that, the dream will get a lot more crisp, vivid, colorful, and clear, and this will help your dreaming experience last longer. My favorite way to stabilize the dream is as soon as I get lucid, as soon as I realize that I am dreaming, I will start to rub my hands together, because you can feel heat, you can feel like this tingling static, and that grounds you into the experience because those are your dream hands. So that's part of the dream. It's not only your surroundings. You can also rub your hands to stabilize the dream as well. And I'd also recommend interacting with your environment, like touching the grass, feeling walls, literally anything that you can feel and just pay attention to and listen to is going to ground you into the experience. And this really doesn't take long. This could take even just 30 seconds or less. So make sure to do that and stabilize the lucid dream before you do anything too exciting, like having dream sex, flying around, fighting someone, literally just running for whatever reason you choose to. Make sure that you start the dream off calm and steady and engage with the lucid dream, and that will help it really clear up and make your dream experience last so much longer. So definitely make sure to stabilize, and you will notice a difference immediately. Okay guys, that is my video today, and I really hope it helped you. Thank you so much for joining. Definitely leave a comment and let me know if you liked this. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and if you want to learn how to control your dreams in 30 days or less, I have a 40-part lucid dreaming course where you can work with me one-on-one and go through an entire course with my lucid dreaming community, so you can master it literally in 30 days or less. That's my promise to you. So if you are interested in that lucid dreaming course and working with me more one-on-one, you can find the link in the description. Alright friends, I will see you next time, and as always, I'm sending you endless love and endless lucidity.